Hey, woodworkers, you can make your own gorgeous milk paint with household materials. It's non toxic, it's not plastic, and it can be any color you want. All you need to get started is our new book called Make Fresh Milk Paint. It shows you how to mix up a paint that goes on like a beautiful acrylic and wears like concrete. We love it. Make Fresh Milk Paint is one of our 5 pocket books. These are small but mighty books that are good enough for your library and tough enough for the workshop. The Woodworker's Pocketbook, our first pocketbook, is filled with all the details you need in the shop about fasteners, plywood, moldings, geometry, and hundreds of other topics. We keep a copy of it in every tool chest. Workshop Wound Care is the only practical book on how to deal with nicks, cuts, and more serious injuries in the shop. Written by an emergency room physician who's also a woodworker, this little book will save your butt. Sharpen This distills all the sharpening BS out there into a short treatise on making your tools sharp so you can get back to the good part, making furniture. And Build a Chair from Bull, which shows you how anyone, and we mean anyone, can build a comfortable chair with home center materials and just a few normal woodshop tools. Buy these books individually or buy the whole set for just $83. That's 23% off, and it's an amazing price for 5 books that are printed in the USA and will make your brain bigger, your tools sharper, and your projects nicer, all with a lot less blood. Order your Lost Art Press pocketbooks with the link below.